Hey guys, welcome you to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post free courses you can earn online with certificates. Today's course I'm going to post is how to make money on Amazon. I mean, work from home, the Amazon FBA MasterPlan. This course already has over 77,000 students enrolled in it, and it's have a rating of 4.7, 4.3 rather. So this course originally goes for $95. You can get it for free if you enroll now. The course has a video of 2.5 hours and has 22 downloadable resources. Let's quickly go through the preview of what the course is all about.
In this course, I'm going to be showing you how thousands of dollars each month working from home selling simple products on Amazon.com. Over the past few years, I've had some big successes, such as building 2 six-figure per year health businesses, co-founding a 7-figure per year software business, and I've also had some other successes as well. On the flip side of that, however, I've also had my fair share of failures, some of which have been pretty colossal. But it is exactly because I have succeeded and failed numerous times I have been able to develop basically a complete understanding of the following when it comes to making money online. What never works, what sometimes works, and crucially, what always works. And because of my experience, I also know which online business types and markets are both realistic to compete in and are scalable into 6, 7, or even 8-figure operations that would continue to be manageable working from home. See, over the years, I've tried everything, literally everything, from blogging, forex trading, mobile gaming, affiliate marketing, and more. I mean, literally everything. And I can tell you now that selling products on Amazon is by far the easiest way of making money online that I've ever come across. And a lot of people think the same as well. I mean, the reason for this is pretty simple. Amazon is Earth's biggest buyer engine. People are not there to search for information or to dither about like they do on Google. They are there for one reason and one reason only: to buy. And the whole point of this course is to show you exactly how to get in front of these buyers and position your products in such a way that they essentially have no choice but to buy your product over other competing products. That's really the emphasis and the basis of this course. So who is the course for? Well, primarily it is going to be particularly useful for 3 sets of people. Firstly, those looking.
Okay, guys, that's it. You can enroll in the course. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you. See you on my next video.